Hello guys, may dumating na parcel. Ito yung photochromic eyeglasses. So let's try to open it para malaman natin guys kung maganda ba. So let's try this guys. Yan. Subuksan natin ito guys. Ito yung parcel na sarado dulo. Okay. Ito siya guys. Ayan guys, may sticker pa. Oh. It's stickers. 5-star feedback. So, yan na guys. Ito na yun guys. Photochromic eyeglasses. So, ayan guys. So maganda siya guys. Sobrang ganda. Actually guys, I love this guys. Tanggalin muna natin tong papers. Actually, maganda yung pagkakaano guys. So try natin. So sobrang ganda guys. Perfect na perfect. Ayan guys, no? Sobrang ganda. It's so nice guys. Ayan na guys. Sobrang ganda. 154 lang pala to guys. So may shipping fee kasi akong 120 plus. Basta guys, mura lang. 154 lang to guys nabili ko. Sobrang ganda at sulit guys, no? So kung gusto niyo din ito guys, ilalagay ko yung link sa ating yellow basket. Just check it out. So ito yung previous niya. Ayan guys. So may previous siya. Love letter guys. So may love letters pa. Thank you guys. Bye bye. So maglagay ako ng link nito guys. And check it the link at the yellow basket. Bye bye. Thank you.